In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to multiple accounts on Blogger. Whether you're managing personal blogs alongside professional ones, or you simply want to keep different projects separate, having the ability to switch between accounts easily can be a true time saver. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to open your Blogger. If you're new to this, Blogger is Google's free tool for creating blogs, and you'll need a Google account to get started. When you open Blogger, you should be prompted to sign in. Enter your primary Google account credentials. After logging in, you'll arrive at your Blogger dashboard. This is your primary hub where you can manage your blog posts, check stats, and customize the layout of your blogs. Make sure to familiarize yourself with this area if you haven't already, as it's the command center for all your blogging activities. Now let's add another Google account. This is particularly useful if you manage multiple blogs under different email addresses. Look to the top right corner of your Blogger dashboard. You should see your profile picture or avatar there. By clicking on it, you'll be given a drop-down menu. From this menu, you should select the option labeled Add Another Account. Clicking this will open a new window where you'll be prompted to sign in with another Google account. Go ahead and enter the email and password for your second account. Once you've logged in, switch back to the Blogger tab. You'll notice your profile picture has changed. This indicates you've successfully added another account. If you're someone who manages more than 2 accounts, you can repeat these steps. Click on your profile picture again, select Add Another Account, and then enter the credentials for the 3rd, 4th, or however many accounts you need to incorporate. There's no need to worry about limits here since Blogger supports multiple profiles without any hassle. Now let's talk about switching between accounts once you've added them. This process is incredibly user-friendly. Once again, locate your profile picture in the top right corner of the dashboard. Click on it, and you'll see a list of all the Google accounts you have signed in. Simply select the account you wish to use at the moment. When you do this, Blogger will reload, bringing up all the blogs associated with the account you've selected. This is particularly useful if you need to post content to different blogs or check analytics for various projects. The seamless nature of switching accounts allows you to manage your blogging tasks more efficiently. If you followed these instructions, you should now have the flexibility to manage multiple Blogger accounts from one place. This ease of use is part of what makes Blogger such a valuable tool for both amateur and professional bloggers alike. Thanks for joining me today, and happy blogging!